Hey everyone, my name is Ian Miller. I just want to introduce you to some t-shirts we've recently created. This is our first one. This is the classic logo. You've probably seen it before on our website and any other propaganda we've put out there. The next one we have is a tribute logo, excuse me. So this one is made out of recycled plastic bottles. This is our Shimoda tribute logo. Shimoda's down on the Pacific coast of Japan, about 3 hours away from Tokyo. And this is actually where I started talking to Peter about starting Shimoda, somewhat where the brand was founded and a lot of the influence came from. It also comes in other colors like this army green. This particular shirt isn't made out of recycled plastic bottles, so if you're not into wearing PET bottles, you've got this option. And if paying tribute's not your thing, maybe alcohol is. Adventure photography makes beer taste better. If you like to edit while under the influence, this might just be the shirt you need to add to your wardrobe. So here's the last one, Shimoda Built for Dreamers. This is one of my favorites, mostly because it reminds me of when we launched the brand. I took this photo on one of the initial shoots I did with Prototype, and it just sparks those memories of when Shimoda first came to be, and just the excitement of back then. So if you're interested in any of these shirts, please visit teesprings.com. There's a link down below which will take you directly to the shop. The prices are fair, quality is good, so if you're into this stuff, please buy a shirt.